Ever twist your Forester's key and get nothing but hot air from the vents? Let's talk about a common headache for Subaru Forester owners, when the air conditioner just won't kick in when you turn the key. First things first, this usually isn't a major failure. Most of the time the culprit is a simple blown fuse or a faulty AC relay. These small parts control whether power gets to your air conditioner in the first place. Another common cause? The ignition switch. If it's worn out, it might not send the signal needed for the AC to start when you use the key. Sometimes, the issue can be as basic as a loose wire or a bad connection behind the dashboard. If your AC doesn't respond with the key, check your owner's manual to locate the fuse box and see if the AC fuse or relay needs replacing. It's an easy fix you can do at home, but always play it safe. Disconnect your battery before poking around. If basic fixes don't work, it's time to see a mechanic. They can run a quick diagnostic and spot any deeper issues with wiring or the ignition switch. So next time your Subaru Forester's AC key fails, don't panic. Start with the simple stuff and you'll likely be cool again in no time.